Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn angles. Before that, I am going to tell what is angle, definition of angle. An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. That is, here I am going to tell one example. Consider this angle AOB, two rays meeting at a common point. Two rays is OB and OA is meeting at a same common point, that is O. O is 90 degree. In this one, this symbol is represent as angle. Angle always represent in this symbol of this one. Next, naming angles. Here, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. O point is always in the middle of the angle because OB and OA are its side. Next, I am going to tell types of angles. The first one is right angle. Right angle is exact 90 degree. This is the diagram of right angle. Exact 90 degree is known as right angle. How you can name this one means angle. Angle always represent in this symbol POQ. POQ is equal to 90 degree. It is known as right angle. The second one is acute angle. Acute angle is smaller than 90 degree. It is known as acute angle. This diagram is represented as acute angle. How you can name this one? Angle BAC. BAC is equal to 46 degree. It is known as acute angle. And third one is obtuse angle. More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Angle PQR is equal to 110 degree. And fourth one is zero angle. It is exact 0 degree is known as zero angle. And last one is straight angle. Straight angle is exact 180 degree. It is known as straight angle. Next one is special pairs of angles. In this one, first one is complementary angles. Sum of two angles is 90 degree is known as complementary angles. Consider this one. Angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 45 degree. You can add two angles, that is angle A plus angle B is equal to 45 plus 45, you get 90. So exact 90 degree. That is sum of two angles is 90 degree is known as complementary angles. Second one, supplementary angles. If sum of two angles measure is exact 180 degree is known as supplementary angles. That is angle A is equal to 90 degree and angle B is equal to 90 degree. You can add two angles, that is angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree, you get 180 degree. It is known as supplementary angles. And next one is vertex. Two rays meeting at a same point is known as vertex. Consider this one. Here, two rays DF and DE are meeting at a common point at D. It is known as vertex of a angle. So here vertex is D point. Next one, sides. Here two sides are DF and DE. These are the two sides of the given angle. Consider this example. Here they are vertex. Vertex is D. That is two rays meeting point is vertex. So meeting point is D. It is vertex is equal to D. Next one, sides. D, DE and DC. DC are the sides of the angle. Next one, collinear points. When all the 3 points are on a line is known as collinear points. Consider this one. The given line is L1 and all the 3 points, that is A, B and C is lie on the line. It is known as collinear points. And second one here, and point A and B is on the line and C, D is not on the line. So it is known as not a collinear points. And second one, perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect at right angle, that is exact 90 degree is known as perpendicular lines. Consider this one. Line L1 and L2 intersect at each other. Exact 90-degree measurement is known as perpendicular lines. Last one is concurrent lines. When many lines intersect at a single point is known as concurrent lines. Consider this example. Line L1, L2, L3 is meet at a same common point at P. It is known as concurrent lines. Thank you.